Okay, there you go. OMG, what's up, vlog? So I'm actually on my way. I'm on my way to work. Something like that. So you can... That's my face without makeup. Without anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of, you know, decoration. Such a nice weather, pero medyo malamig pa rin. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna bring out my foundation. So dalawang ano lang, pump. So ito yung mga nangyayari every day. Dito ako naman. Put my eyebrows on now. Oh, see? It was so simple. Kamay lang. Vlog this. So, yan yung share ko. I'm already here at my workstation. So, alright. I'll see you then, babe.
Okay.
Thank you. Good afternoon, guys. I'm back. I'm out na. Hindi ko dinala itong camera sa office. And besides, I don't think so. It's a good idea to make a vlog inside of the workstation, especially na.
You know, dogs or something.
Exactly. Guys, alam mo ba sa office na ang daming camera? Even in my back, in my chair, there's a camera. But tomorrow, I'll be seeing again with the engineer. So every time I have this with me, first thing that I'm gonna do in the morning is to see the city engineer. Ganun. Alam niyo ba na every time na binibigyan ako ni boss ng ganito na task, at first talaga, kinakabahan ako. Kasi, most of the people inside of that room is actually male, you know? Because they are more engineer. And I did not graduate from the engineer field. It's just I am the one who represent in behalf of the company. So, and because of this position, I get to know the people, I get to know the client itself, because you will have to talk to them. You know, you will be the one we're going to explain how the project goes on, when, the scheduling. The scheduling is very hectic in terms about getting people to work to get it done, something. And me, I don't like calling to people just to, you know, keep on watching them, because I believe that they're, you know, they're responsible enough to complete their job at the end of the day. Yeah, that's what I realized, that I'm all around, especially na when one of my workmates at the same department got fired. I had to fill in his job. So that was...
Two of them got fired, didn't they?
Yeah, two. there are two people who get fired. Sure ko sa isang yung ka-work mate ko na fired. Yung first is, his, I don't know how to explain, but his personality is very sensitive and don't want to accept any criticism, shall I say. This is where I'm going to go tomorrow to talk to the engineer people. And guys, this whole city has a free Wi-Fi. So yeah, and I hope that everyone is having a great day and productive day, Good morning, guys. Oh my G, I'm so early. It's not early because it's already 9:30. Then I realized that the office will be... I'm actually at the city hall right now because I need to talk to the engineer people of the city. So I'm kind of stuck. So I'm vlogging right now. I'm using my phone to vlog, so I don't know if this is clear enough. Nagjo-joke ako sa boss ko na nakalimutan ko pala na engineer. Feeling ko engineer ako dito. Feeling ko yung mga project na nahahandle ko. Guys, there's a lot of yung structural, so that... Hi guys, sa wakas natapos na rin. So I'm on my way right now back to our office. So I've got all the documents that I need. And yun.